This is the final presentation for our capstone software engineering project. Our team is Yuki Sun, Michael Wu, and Heather Mihane. Kukarella.com is a website that provides text-to-speech and speech-to-text services. The multi-voice tool developed in this project provides a specialized text-to-speech service that allows users to convert different sections of their text into different voices. It allows users to easily assign different voices to different sections of text, change the voices assigned to different characters, and preview how the different sections of audio will sound in the browser window before downloading all their audio files. There is one user group for the multi-voice tool. This user group includes video game and movie or TV script writers who want to convert their text script into audio with different characters speaking in different voices. A writer can test out how their dialogue for a TV script will sound instead of having to hire voice actors.
The Kukarella multi-voice tool allows the user to divide a section of text into different characters and assign different voices to each character. First step is to navigate to the multi-voice tool tab, and we can click the question mark icon to read the help documentation. The next step is to name the project. Today we will be using a segment of text from It's a Wonderful Life. Next, we can paste the text into the text field, and then we can format the text to make it clearer to read. The next step is to add a character. We name the character, we can choose a color, we choose a language, and we click Show Voices.
Hi, how are you? If you like my voice.
To save the character, we click Save Voice. Next, we can add another character.
Hi, how are you?
If we click the three buttons on the right side of the character button, we can edit that character. Here we're going to change the color and save the voice. The next step is to assign text to characters. So we highlight the text and then we click the character button that we want to assign it to. Lastly, we're going to download the audio files. Another option is to preview your audio files under My Account and play back all your audio files and download them from there.
Why, yes, this is amazing.
We used an agile approach in the development of this project, so the specific requirements did change over time. But the main requirements were to create different actors, assign voices to those actors, assign text to characters, and convert the text to audio. An additional feature that we implemented was being able to format the text in the text field. A feature that we did not have time to implement was being able to select a number of paragraphs and preview how they sounded before downloading or converting the whole audio file. In the Level 0 DFD diagram, a character is created and saved to the AWS server. The input text is converted to audio, which is then saved on the Google File-based database, and the user can download the audio file. The Level 1 DFD diagram shows how the user selects which character voice to apply to each section of text. While the user inputs the character, which voice the character is used is saved to the AWS server, which returns which voice to convert the text segment to. Integration testing involved testing to see if the subcomponents of the multi-voice module functioned well together. Integration testing also involved testing the text-to-speech conversion with multiple characters. For system testing, we tried the different user paths to see if there was anything the user could do to break the code. One unrecoverable error we had to fix was that if you didn't select a voice for the narrator before you tried to convert, you would no longer be able to convert anything, even if you did select a narrator.
A key feature of the multi-voice tool is the ability to create voiceovers that require multiple voice actors. One benefit of this feature is that scriptwriters can get a feel of their script by simply create a number of virtual actors. Assign parts of the script to each voice actors and listen to the result. This was demonstrated in the demo. Another benefit is that this tool can save a lot of time on arranging different voice actors. Normally, one would arrange a number of voice actors in a meeting and have them read out the script, and the process would have to be repeated with subsequent major changes to the script. Multi-voice tool eliminates this time-consuming process, as any change to a script can be listened to right afterwards. Furthermore, as more and more content are provided to international audiences, voiceovers in audience native language has become very important. Sometimes voice actors that can speak multiple languages can be hard to find and expensive to hire. Multi-voice tools solve this problem with voices from more than 55 different languages. Moving on to the technical challenge of this project. We feel that the two challenges listed here gave us the most problem. The first challenge is the function to highlight and assign text to voice actors. This function seems easy in the demo. All the user has to do was highlight a section of text and click on one of the voice actor buttons, but behind the scene it was a little complicated. We had to manage many different scenarios, such as if users overlapped the highlighted with sections of text that was already assigned to a voice actor. You had to find ways to adjust the text to a voice actor assignment in this situation. All unassigned text gets automatically assigned to the default voice actor narrator, so there was a lot of things to keep track of, and the most importantly, we have to keep all the sections of text in order as they appear. The second challenge is giving users the ability to perform some text formatting. The challenge with this function is it requires some learning, as none of us was familiar with text formatting. When users copy and paste, how the data is passed from clipboard to the component, how the formatting of copy text is preserved inside the text editor, and many more areas had to be thought out before implementation was possible. Now my colleague Yuki will speak to you more about the project.
Hi, I'm Yuki, and I will present the summary, left to done, and the future work parts. For the summary, when we handing our project to our client, what our client need to do is to merge our version and the original website set version together. One of our client employee Jasper are building new features based on their original version. So they need to make sure that after they merge like the two branches, there should be no conflict, and all the features will work fine since the code are added and removed from like the two version. For the left to down part, add supported or paste for the text align left, right, center will be one left to down. We complete the formatting support for bold, italic, underline, and also text align left, right, center, as you can see in the image. So if you write sentence by yourself, you can apply these to your text. However, if you copy texts from other sources and paste it to our website, it can only auto recognize bold, italic, underline, and apply it to it, but not text align left, right, center. That's what's left to down. For the future works, there are 3 features you need to implement it for Kukarella website. First is create cleaning mechanism. It is to remove temporary small audio files in user buckets, which give user better user experience. And the second is, for now, the triple click to select a line doesn't work. When you open your Chrome browser or others, when you triple click your mouse, it will automatically select a line, but it didn't work for our website, which need to be implemented. And the third one is multi-voice tool project support. As you can see in the image, It's a Wonderful Life is the project name. What we want to do is to have a save change button. After user click save change, the whole project will be saved to my file. So user can save it and log in next time and change their script to make their script better. That's it. Thank Thank you very much.